Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making content that Discover favors: timely, people-first, and visually rich. First, publish a mobile-optimized article or list with compelling images and clear topical focus. This signals relevance. Once done, make sure your site is indexed, submit an updated XML sitemap, and check coverage in Search Console. You also need valid structured data and fast core web vitals. These technical signals help Google evaluate eligibility for Discover impressions and clicks. Next, focus on why Google trusts your content and how it appears. You strengthen EAT by adding author bios, citations, and clear editorial policies so algorithms associate authority with your site. Meanwhile, prepare large, high-quality images. Google prefers 1200px or larger, and ensure image metadata and AMP or responsive markup are correct. Also refine headlines and meta descriptions to match user intent. This improves click-throughs from Discover once your page becomes eligible. Finally, you need a disciplined monitoring and iteration loop. Track impressions, CTR, and queries in Search Console, then /B test thumbnails and headlines to increase engagement. Refresh content to maintain topicality. If you still see no Discover traffic, perform a focused audit. Confirm pages are indexed, inspect image size and metadata, check for manual actions, and review core web vitals. If issues persist, repair the specific signal. Fix AMP, replace images or improve authority, and repeat the tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.